back to Curl Sisters. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining me. I want you to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on more educative, entertaining, and of course informative videos. Today we are going to be starting off our Chebe powder and cacao oil hair growth challenge. Yeah, girls, see, I want my hair as long as that of the Czech Republic women. So I heard that's the secret. So we're going to see how that works for us on the 4C curls as well. And the season is getting hotter. So if I were you, I want my hair tucked in under the wigs and the weaves and the scarves, you know what I'm saying? The protective styles and all. But right here, this challenge is as flexible as possible. And it allows you even keep your hands off your hair if you have that hands and hair syndrome, you know what I mean. So it's going to allow you to keep your hands off your hair. It's going to help lock in moisture because that's what the Chebe powder does. It stimulates the follicles and then gives for a great hair, longer length. I'm talking about nice volume, great texture, and well-defined curls. So let's get to work and see how that works for us. And the link to the group challenge is right in the description box. Hit that box up, join the link, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, the link to my Instagram and Facebook page is also right in the description box, and then I want you to eat that up as fast as possible. Let's get to work, guys. Hey guys, right now I'm going to be taking down my thread out because I do thread out a lot. It makes my hair stay stretched out and it doesn't shrink that much. So let's just take this down as quick as possible. I did this thread out. Oh my god, that is so difficult to say that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, finally it's gone. It's come out. Okay, so I did this thread out immediately after washing my hair and applying my dandruff and itchy scalp recipe. Okay, you can check my Instagram page for the full post on that, and also I'll be bringing a video of where I did that very soon in case you're suffering from itchy scalp and dandruff, and it's going to also help you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _sisters. I do lots and lots of amazing stuffs there. Okay, yeah, lots of amazing stuffs. All right, let's take this down as quick as possible. I'm done taking down my thread out, and this is it. Okay, so we're going to go straight down, but first I'm going to have to moisturize my hair with the contents from my spray bottle, which contains 2/3 water, and then we have avocado oil, lemon oil, coconut oil, carrot oil, the oil inside the spray bottle. My spray bottle is rich. Is yours as rich as mine? I'm not sure. So just in case you want to know how we got all of the oils that we add to a spray bottle, so the avocado oil, the lemon oil, the likes of them, if you want to know how I made it, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'm going to show you that in another video. But for now, this is my hair. Now I'm going to have to brush this through and of course part my hair into sections because I love to work with sections rather. If you've watched my video, you know I love working in sections because it makes it easier for me, and then I don't have to have my hair all tangled up, and I'm quite lazy, so I do it the fastest way. Okay guys, so right here I'm just trying to dry my Chebe powder because I want to blend it into a finer, a smoother, finer powder because I want it to dissolve properly. It might not dissolve well, but it's better off than having too much lumps and chaff in my hair. So I'm just going to dry it under the sun, and after that I'll put it in my blender and I'll blend it out into a smoother powder. Keep watching. Guys, so we're here and it's time to mix my Chebe powder and the cacao oil. So I'm just going to work with a little powder at a time, and of course a little oil at a time. Now there's nothing wrong in storing the oil, but for now I'll just use 2 cups full of the cacao oil and I'm going to mix it with my Chebe powder, and I'll see what consistency it gives me. If I like it, I just continue to work that through my hair, but if I do not, I'll have to mix it a second time. So depending on the length of your hair and the volume and the kind of consistency you like, you'd want to mix your powder, get something that's going to work for you. This is too thick for me, so I'm going to add another cupful of the cacao oil, and then this should do pretty well because I don't want my hair getting all sticky, a little flow here and there because I don't want freeze. So done applying this all through my hair. Okay, so let's do a length check. So maybe when we come back, let's see if it has grown any better. All right, so that is that. Just there, right below my collarbone, not too stretched. All right, so I'm just going to show you and continue from here. Now, I already showed you how I how I mixed my oil. Right now, I still have more here. So I'm basically going to just twirl this together. And then from the spatula, I just work that through. Now, I need to warn you, this is really a messy situation. So you might want to wear a dress that isn't colored so you don't get into trouble. Because I almost did get into trouble. So I'm just going to pop that. I walk in sections, remember, and let's twirl this over. Keep it aside. All right. So to this part of the hair, I'm going to use my spray bottle and moisturize it. Now, I'd advise that you do this right after washing your hair. That's on freshly washed hair. But I washed my hair a few days ago and had this treatment that I rinsed off. That was 2 days ago, so I'm not going to wash again. So just that, I moisturize and then I go in with the mix and slowly that way. Now you're going to cover from the roots all the way down to the tip, just like that. Use your fingers to detangle. Okay. Coat it properly, coat it very well. Right, then I'll go in with a twist up. And then you twirl the ends. Boom. So let's do that to the last one. Spray bottle. You would not need a spray bottle if it's freshly washed hair, but mine is not. So that's why I'm using the spray bottle. So I moisturize. If you have aloe vera gel, coat your hair with aloe vera gel to keep it even more moisturized than water would do. And then you go in with the mix again. If you notice, I'm carefully avoiding my scalp because I do not want my scalp to be messed up because the powder is kind of rough, doesn't melt in. So it is actually there to make sure that it locks in moisture for you. So you just work that all the way. I'm sure you're already seeing the curls. Then part again into two section. And then we do a flat twist. Sorry, a twist up rather. And twirl the ends again. Woo! So we're done. You guys, we are done. And you're going to carry this for 4 to 5 days, a week max, and after that you just rinse it off and repeat the process again for the next 2 months. So let's see how well defined my curls turn out in the next 2 months, and also let's see what volume my hair gains and the length and how healthy and nourished my hair is going to be. Right now I have my power oil mix here. This oil mix is super dope. I made it myself. It's a DIY hair growth oil instead of an applicator bottle. So I'm going to work this into my scalp, and then I'm going to do a massage. So now this contains the canola oil. I have the caca oil here. We have argan oil, olive oil. I didn't add coconut oil because coconut oil leaves my scalp very dry, so it's not good for me. It might be good for you, so if it is, use it. Okay, so I'm just going to work this through. And just like I said, always make sure you avoid using mineral oils. DIY oils are the best. So that way I'm just going to massage my scalp. Alright, and we're done. So guys, thanks so much for sticking around, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and smash the bell beside the subscription button so you always get notified when I come back with new videos. Meanwhile, see you in 2 months with my review. More videos coming. Just hang around. Thank you.